Gravity doesn't have a soul. It doesn't care about your excuses or your tight schedule. In this hangar, we are the only line of defense between a safe flight and a national tragedy. Today, I'm showing you how the smallest maintenance errors changed aviation history forever. In 1990, British Airways Flight 5390 took off, unaware of a critical flaw. A mechanic, replacing a windshield, used 84 bolts that were slightly too small. He relied on his eyes instead of the manual. At 17,000 feet, that windshield blew out and the captain was nearly sucked out of the plane, all because of an improper bolt. Then there's AeroPerú Flight 603. After cleaning, a simple piece of duct tape was left over the static ports. These ports feed vital airspeed and altitude data. The pilot's instruments went haywire. They didn't know their altitude or speed. 70 people lost their lives because of a piece of tape that cost cents. This is why we have the sacred contract. If the manual says 100 psi, you don't do 99. If it says use part A, you don't use part B. Discipline isn't just a word here, it's life or death. The click of the torque wrench, the twist of the safety wire, these are vows. Vows to the passengers, to the sky. Next time you board a flight, know that there's a mechanic like me who didn't sleep until every bolt was checked. Stay safe, check your bolts. I'm Uncle Torque. See you in the hangar.